Most people have big goals and big ambitions in their life, but for some reason, they're not able to achieve them. They have highly difficulty in completing their tasks. And this is the majority of the people. So in today's video, I'm talking exactly to those kind of people with those big ambitions, but seem to do nothing. Whenever they have to change an habit or a routine, they struggle to continue. They struggle to complete that. Well, what I want to talk about today is the importance of changing paradigms. And you probably don't know what a paradigm even is at this moment. And it's not that difficult of a concept to understand. Paradigms are basically ideas and beliefs that are installed in our subconscious brain. Because our brain is divided in three parts. Conscious part of the brain, which is only like 5% of our brain. Subconscious and unconscious, which are 95% of our brain, is the majority of the brain. And here there are all of our hidden fears, all of our beliefs, all of our thoughts, all of our hidden pleasures, and on and on. When we are born, we have genetic and we have DNA from our mother, our father, our grandmas, and on and on. So we already have something in our subconscious brain. But from the moment we're born and for the rest of our life, but mainly in our childhood, our subconscious brain is forming. So it absorbs everything around it. Everything. It cannot reject anything. It can only absorb. So this is why children are different, because they grow up in different environments. An abused child is different from a child who had a normal family and a normal life, a normal peaceful life. They are different. They have different thoughts, different beliefs, and all those series of thoughts and of beliefs that are in our subconscious mind, that we cannot access directly into them, that are a bit hidden, those are paradigms. So let's say your goal is to make some money, make a new income online, let's say, and you have to wake up early. You have to wake up early, go to the gym, you need to build some discipline, then you come home, you work, and you basically go to sleep, or maybe you complete some other things, I don't know. But you want to become more disciplined right now, so you have to get up early. If you think in your subconscious mind, if you think that you're a big sleeper, if you think that you're not disciplined, if you think that, oh, I cannot do this, it's too early for me, or all those limiting beliefs in your subconscious mind, and you don't change them, then it's going to be way, way difficult for you to pursue that goal. You may fail, because you see, there is a difference between normal people, average people, 99% of the people, from the successful people. And success is a little bit personal. If a person is happy and fulfilled and content with their life, then they can be called successful, right? So success is personal. But most people don't define themselves as successful. Only some people who have achieved their goals that they had from, let's say they were a child, maybe they're athletes, maybe they are wealthy, maybe they did something important and amazing in their lives. So those people are the 1 or 2%. And the only thing that separates those kinds of people is the ability to master and control their brain. They understand their brain. They understand the importance of having your brain as your ally in your life. So let's get back to the prior example that I made before. Let's say that now you have to wake up early and your subconscious mind has some limited beliefs about that. You need to start thinking differently. You need to say some positive affirmations to yourself that I'm not a big sleeper anymore. I can do everything I want to do. I have the power to do everything I want to. I can wake up early, I can do this, I can do that. You try to put some positive affirmations to yourself and you write them down. You write them down for multiple times at a day, every single day. You don't have to skip this. And you say them out loud. This can seem to you as something which doesn't work. You may say, no, this doesn't really work. How can it work? But this is why you fail. Because you're already thinking negatively. From the very beginning, without even starting, you're thinking negatively. Oh, this will not work. How do you know? You need to try it out, but with an open mind. You have to approach this with an open mind. With a mind of, okay, I'm going to start to do this. I probably don't believe in this, but there are people who did this, who told it to me, and they strongly believe in this. And they have had some success in their life. So I'm going to try it out, and I'm going to see for myself. You don't have to approach this with a closed mind, with a negative mind. So you need to try to do all of those things for like 30 days. Try to meditate. Try to write those things down. Try to analyze yourself. Try to analyze your subconscious mind. So you start detecting all those thoughts, all those limited beliefs that you have right now. It requires some study and it requires some self-analysis and some work before even starting to actually work on your goal. But this is why it's valuable, right? So this is the importance of changing paradigms, because once you have started to gain some knowledge on your subconscious mind and you started analyzing yourself and you started to actually change that paradigm, then it will be much, much easier for you to wake up in the morning early, go to the gym and have your routine, your structured routine. It will be much easier and you will have more energy. You will be able to attract the things you want. You will have a high frequency, a high vibration, and you will be more in peace with yourself. So begin to write down all of your limiting beliefs, all the negative thinking that you have right now that is limiting you from actually pursuing that goal. Every time that you started to doing something, and what was the thing that made you quit? What was the thing that you weren't able to control until you change your paradigm? And you will see how things will start being easier. And now you will get, little by little, you'll be able to accomplishing even smaller goals. So I hope you find this video helpful. And if it was, or you maybe have some questions, write them below and subscribe to the channel, because I'll be posting more exclusive content.